and today we are going to learn vegetable name. Potato. This is a potato. Potato. This is a potato. Garlic. This is a garlic. Garlic. This is a garlic. Tomato. This is a tomato. Tomato. This is a tomato. Beetroot. This is a beetroot. Beetroot. This is a beetroot. Ginger. This is a ginger. Ginger. This is a ginger. Green chili. This is a green chili. Green chili. This is a green chili. Red chili. This is a red chili. Red chili. This is a red chili. Dry red chili. This is a dry red chili. Dry red chili. This is a dry red chili. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Turnip. This is a turnip. Turnip. This is a turnip. Corn. This is a corn. Corn. This is a corn. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Peas. This is a peas. Peas. This is a peas. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Ladyfinger. This is a ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. This is a ladyfinger. Bitter gourd. This is a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. This is a bitter gourd. Radish. This is a radish. Radish. This is a radish. Green papaya. This is a green papaya. Green papaya. This is a green papaya. Curry leaves. This is a curry leaves. Curry leaves. This is a curry leaves. Spinach. This is a spinach. Spinach. This is a spinach. Fenugreek. This is a fenugreek. Fenugreek. This is a fenugreek. Taro root. This is a taro root. Taro root. This is a taro root. Green beans. This is a green beans. Green beans. This is a green beans. Broccoli. This is a broccoli. Broccoli. This is a broccoli. Mint. This is a mint. Mint. This is a mint. Coriander. This is a coriander. Coriander. This is a coriander. Rigged gourd. This is a rigged gourd. Rigged gourd. This is a rigged gourd. Lemon. This is a lemon. Lemon. This is a lemon. Bottle gourd. This is a bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. This is a bottle gourd. Yellow capsicum. This is a yellow capsicum. Yellow capsicum. This is a yellow capsicum. Green capsicum. This is a green capsicum. Green capsicum. This is a green capsicum. ग्रीन कैप्सिकम को हिंदी में हरी शिमला मिर्च कहते हैं. रेड कैप्सिकम. दिस इज अ रेड कैप्सिकम. रेड कैप्सिकम. दिस इज अ रेड कैप्सिकम. pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Spring onion. This is a spring onion. Spring onion. This is a spring onion. Sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. Onion. This is an onion. Onion. This is an onion.